Welcome back to Bike Lane, where we explore the machines that define modern warfare and innovation. Today, we're diving into one of the most elusive and iconic aircraft in the world, the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, and what makes it still so formidable in 2025. A legacy of stealth and power. First introduced in the late 1980s, the B-2 Spirit was a technological leap, designed for undetectable penetration into enemy territory. Fast forward to 2025, and this flying wing is still a critical part of the U.S. Air Force's strategic arsenal. Its radar-evading design and long-range strike capability remain unmatched by any other stealth aircraft in active service. Modern upgrades for a changing battlefield. The B-2 hasn't stood still. Over the past decade, it has undergone substantial upgrades. These include enhanced radar-absorbent coatings, a next-gen defensive management system, and integration with new precision-guided munitions. In 2025, it's also equipped to carry hypersonic weapons, making it more lethal and versatile than ever before. Why it still matters in 2025. Despite newer platforms like the B-21 Raider entering the scene, the B-2 continues to fly vital missions. Its combination of range, stealth, and payload makes it a perfect platform for high-risk, high-value targets. In an era of contested airspace and rising global tensions, the B-2 remains a symbol of U.S. air dominance. Conclusion: a living legend. As we look toward the future of aerial warfare, the B-2 Spirit stands as a reminder that some designs are so advanced, they transcend generations. Even in 2025, this stealth bomber is not just surviving, it's evolving. Thanks for watching Bike Lane. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most powerful machines.